Guys, hlathi finally gave permission to the doctors ukuthi bakhiphe inhliziyo ngale kamva bayifake eqhawe bese bacishe imishini ngale kamva. Okusho ukuthini-ke manje kuphelile ngole kamva. Le kamva is now dead. Now, after le kamva's death, I saw this clip on Facebook, and this is a clip whereby uThumeka, uThandeka, no Auntie Nsiki are mourning le kamva's death. And the comments here on this post got me so curious in such a way that I wanted to create this video. So I'm going to talk about this and more here on this video. But first, I would like to request you guys to like the video, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Let's quickly get to it. So after being begged by Zoleka for a very long time, uHlathi finally decided ukuthi ayithathe advice kaZoleka noLazarus. I-advice yakhe leyo, there's an advice ukuthi bakhiphe inhliziyo ngale kamva, because the doctors had already told the whole family that le kamva is practically dead. His brain is dead and there's no way of repairing it or bringing him back. So ayibheke uHlathi lento wabona ukuthi okay, than losing 2 children, I'd rather just take le kamva's heart, give it to Qhawe once and for all. And he did that behind Thumeka's back. So ladies and gentlemen, le kamva is now dead. And I saw here on the comment section of a post that was posted by Mzansi Magic's Facebook page. So they posted this clip, a clip of the picture that we are seeing on the screen right now. So there's uThumeka here, Nsiki and uThandeka. So they are crying, and that is so emotional. No, I'm certain that everyone who have watched this scene cried when they watched it, because even to me, like I only watched the scene, but I felt like crying. We were going to but then I feel like this scene was too emotional. And I even saw people on Facebook, but when I got to the car after watching it and everything. But yeah, as my chat is here. People are busy blaming Hlathi ukuthi amadoda always choose themselves, and I'm like, uHlathi usechoose kephi manje? Guys, I feel like niyathanda no blame uHlathi noma esengenzanga lutho, and I'm projecting him this time around. uHlathi had a decision to make. Bekumele akhethe between ungcwabe ingane zakhe zoyi-2 noma ngcwabe ingane eyi-1. Ngoba lana he had kule kamva was dead, and then there was uQhawe who was also dead uma ngabe ngayithola inhliziyo. So wabona ukuthi akathi inhliziyo ngale kamva because akasayidingi vele, uzongcwatshwa nayo afe nayo ahambe nayo. So wathi inhliziyo ayinikeze uQhawe. Angiyiboni mina into wrong lento yenziwe uHlathi lana. Angithandi into yenza kuHlathi, angiyithandi in total. I even so okay, this one is funny. But everyone is now happy that uLimi sefanele lost a child naye. Kazi kanti ninjani nina? How can you behave about that? So some people on social media are saying that noZoleka naye wayekade khala kanje ngalesikhathi lesi se-airport uThumeka ethatha ingane yakhe, which is uQhawe, ehambe eyokhulisa and everything. So this is karma coming for uThumeka. And I'm like, could it be? Asazi, guys, what do you think about this? Comment down in the comment section, share thoughts and opinions, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you know no TikTok. And with all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.